investing in an off-plan project, there are key things you need to do. Number one, you do your due diligence, and number two, you check out the track record of the developers. Where I'm currently at is a Citadel Oasis right here in Ogombo Road, just opposite the Charterhouse. You know the Charterhouse, the most expensive secondary school right here in Nigeria. And this property comes with the governor's consent as the title. Well, here we have a 2-bedroom and a 3-bedroom selling right here. We also have apartments and 4-bedroom, but quite unfortunately, those are sold out. So what we currently have that is still selling is our 2-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ, and also our 3-bedroom terrace duplex. Now, with an initial deposit of 30%, you can spread your payment up to 8 months interest free. So I'm going to show you a sample unit of our 2-bedroom terrace duplex with a BQ for you to see how it's going to look like when it's completed. But before I do so, let me just quickly take you around the estate so you see the level of work that is being done on this property as I'm speaking with you. So just stay tuned and watch this video to the very end. And if you're new to my channel, thank you and welcome. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Please take a second to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment what you think about this property. So guys, let's go into the business of the day. Just stay tuned, watch this video to the very end. Let me show you what Eden Oasis has in store for you. Okay guys, so welcome to my channel. Before going to the sample units, I needed to show you the environment. As you can see, the road is being paved. It's still under construction. We still have some building coming up still at the foundation level, but right here we have our 2-bedroom. So this is our 2-bedroom. It's at the roof, first floor level, and over there still also the 2-bedroom. You can show them still at the first floor level. Okay, so over there we still have some buildings coming up, still at the foundation level. I don't really know, probably maybe that's where we're going to have our 3-bedroom, so see a lot of construction going on here and there. Over there you have your sand, your granite, your cement. So workers are on site working to deliver. So let's go in. Let me show you the sample unit of the 2-bedroom. So just walk with me. So you can see. So if you look straight down, you see they are trying to build the pipe, the borehole for the water that's going to supply water. So that's what they are doing right there, but I can't go that close. But I just needed to show you. Can zoom in for them to see. Just zoom in so they'll see. So they are building a borehole right there. Okay. So the level. So you can see how high the foundation is. So once it's raining, flood has nothing to do with this estate. You don't have to worry yourself about flooding, So let's head over to the sample unit. Okay, so before I go inside the sample unit, let me just quickly show you the compound, the surrounding, and the BQ. So just take a walk with me. So this is the surrounding, and you walk right here to the BQ. So the 2-bedroom comes with the BQ. This is the BQ. Quite spacious. Wow, what's this? So it comes with the bathroom. Okay, so let's head inside the main building. Okay guys, so welcome. Remember I told you I'm going to show you a sample unit, so you have an idea how it's going to look like when our 2-bedroom is fully completed. So right here, what we have right here, we have a sample unit of the 2-bedroom. So let's go and let me show you so you can see for yourself. So, okay. So this right here is our living area. it's not going to come fully furnished. It is just a sample unit, but for you to have an idea how it's going to look like. So this right here is our living area, and over here we have our kitchen. So this is our kitchen. This is the room size of our kitchen. You know, I think our kitchen is going to come with some appliances. You know, at least I know that the kitchen that building is going to come with the sink and the faucet and the cabinets. So this is our kitchen. This is okay. So before I go upstairs, let me quickly show you the guest toilet. We missed it while we were coming, but I can still show you the guest toilet. So this is our guest toilet. Okay. So let's head upstairs. Okay, so this is the family lounge. This is the family lounge area. You know, you can chill with your family. That's the TV console. Of course, I don't think it's coming with a TV console, but I mean, you can get the idea, like a design to what to do with your family lounge. You know. So this is the family lounge area, and this is the balcony. So this is the balcony. Okay. So this is exactly how the 2-bedroom is going to look like. So this should be the master's bed. See how spacious it is. It's quite spacious. Even with your bed frame, you have your wardrobe right here. So you see how spacious it is. The wardrobe, the bed, you still have space to move around, and each room is coming with a toilet and bathroom. I mean, each room is ensuite. So this is the bathroom. So you can go in, show them the bathroom. I'm sure the bathroom is going to come with this water heater and these sanitary wares. So yeah, so this is the master's bed. Let's check out the next room. So this is the second room. See how spacious, even with the bed, you still have space to move around. You know, so it's not small. So, and also this is the toilet. So just show them the toilet and the bathroom. Okay, so what we have available right here, just like I said earlier, is the 2-bedroom and the 3-bedroom that is still available. The 2-bedroom comes with a BQ, and the 3-bedroom doesn't come with a BQ. So it's going to be, but hey, I remember something. Need to add something. You know, I told you that it's going to be 24 hours electricity. It's going to have a solar, in fact, fully solar power. So as you can see, this is our solar control. So you have your charge controller, your sublat power line, you know. So it's fully solar, 24 hours electricity, 24 hours security. So thank you for watching this video to the very end. If you need a unit or more right here, call the number that is showing on your screen, and let's get started. Till I come away next time, thank you and God bless you.